Hello students, welcome back to our economics class. In the previous classes, we have discussed topics from unit number 5, that is agriculture sector. We have discussed what are the objectives of agriculture pricing policy and also what are the features and main elements of agriculture pricing policy. And today's topic is also from unit number 5, that is agriculture sector, and it is reasons for inadequate implementation of land reforms. I repeat it once again. Reasons for inadequate implementation of land reforms. Observe two terms over here. Inadequate implementation of land reforms, or it can be also asked as the poor performance of land reforms. Alright, so in the 5th unit, previous classes we have discussed what are the various land reforms. Like previously, when there was zamindari system, alright, and many of the other intermediaries were there which have exploited our innocent farmers. Like our farmers were the actual owners of the land, but their land was being occupied by the big landlords, and the owners, that is the farmers, were made them as slaves. They used to work as slaves day and night, and a very meager salary was given to them. That means very less salary was given to the farmers, even though after working from morning till night. So they have abolished zamindari system, and the government have come up with land reforms. Government have come up with land reforms, means there are some measures to remove this zamindari system, etc., and stop our farmers from being exploited. Alright, so what are the measures which are taken up by the government are known as land reforms. But our question here is inadequate implementation of land reforms. That means government have suggested some measures, but we are not properly making use of that. Are you understanding? For example, you are feeling hungry and your mother have served a plate full of meals for you. It is having various types of curries, fried rice, as well as chapati and a sweet dish also. So even after serving a plate full of meals for you, you are not eating all the items, you are wasting it and you are not using it properly. Alright, that means implementation is not going on. For example, you are attending all of the economics classes. Am I right? But how you are attending the class? You are watching the class, writing in your notebook, and this is called as attending class according to you, but that is not attending class, that is just copying and pasting in your book. After the class, when you follow my instructions, when you watch this class again and again, when you learn it and write it without seeing at least 2 times, that means implementation is going on. Implementation means you are following my orders. You are following my rules and regulations. Alright, then this will help you to score excellent marks in your exam. But you are not doing like this. You are doing the opposite thing of that. You are not implementing the words I am saying. In the same way, whatever the land reforms government have started up, the government have came up with the land reforms, but that were not being followed properly. Alright, inadequate implementation means they have not been followed strictly, properly and seriously. Now what are the reasons that they are not following the rules of the government, the land reforms of the government? Let us see. First point, loopholes in the act. There are loopholes in land reform act. There are loopholes in land reform act. What is the meaning of loopholes? You can say that there are certain inefficiency. Okay, you are inefficient, somewhere something is missing, that is called as loopholes. Alright, like because of corruption, alright, because of paying of bribe, which we say it as rishwat, alright, you can also term it as black money. These all things in our country are happening. Why? Because of the loopholes in the law. People are not following everything seriously. Everyone want to go from shortcut way. That is the wrong way. No one wants to go in the right path because it will take some time. So everyone is following back door, or they are going in the wrong way of earning money very easily. That is nothing but loopholes. So what are the loopholes in the act? Big landlords have easy access to financial and political power. Is it right or not? The big landlords, they have strong financial power. They are having good money with them. Plus, they also have relations with political parties. That means they have financial as well as political power. Who is having financial and political power? Big landlords, because of which they are having retained their land ownership. That means no one can take the land ownership from them. Alright, no one can even say a word to these landlords, because if they say anything, in fact they will send this persons in jail. How? Because they are having financial and political power. Because of this reason, even though that is someone else's land, the big landlords are occupying those lands, okay, and they are seizing the lands from the poor farmers. They are becoming poor and poor day by day, and no one can be filing a case against these big landlords, because they are having financial and political power. So what is the first point here? Loopholes in the act. Our acts are not proper. Everyone wants to go from wrong way by taking the advantage from the poor persons. Second point, lack of political will. Here will in the sense wish, alright, want, you can say. Like for example, my wish is to become a doctor. So I am willing to become a doctor. Willing is nothing but ing. If you take out ing, it is nothing but will. So lack of political will. Political parties in power are not showing real interest. Political parties in power are not showing real interest in the implementation of acts. Alright, whatever the political parties are there, they are not showing any real interest. In what? In the land reforms of the government. Why? Because they don't want to angry, they don't want to favor the political parties. They are having favor from political parties. They don't want to make them angry, so they are not following the land reforms, because of which it have diluted the acts. Diluted means making it less effective. Making it less effective. For example, while making tea, a cup of tea, we pour equal measurement of milk and equal measurement of water. For example, if I keep 2 cups of water and just half cup of milk, then the tea will be diluted. Means it is not having any good taste. it is ineffective. That is nothing but diluted. So these acts have been diluted. Diluted means they are not having any effectiveness. For example, when I am saying you something, if you follow my instructions, that means my words are effective to you. If you don't follow my words, if you hear from this ear and just take out from the next ear, that means you don't have any seriousness and effectiveness to my words. That means you are in dilution. Alright, so these acts are diluted. This is all because of lack of political will. Political parties are not having any real interest in the land reforms. Like for example, you are attending my class. Few of you will be attending the class with full of your interest, while some persons will be attending only for a formality purpose. That means those persons are not showing any real interest. Alright, in the same way, political parties are not showing any real interest in what? In the land reforms, implementation of the land reforms. Coming to third one, passive nature of beneficiaries, marginal, small and landless farmers. Before starting this, beneficiaries means the persons who want to take the benefit from any trust, because they are poor, they are not having good finance, so whatever the schemes of the governments are there or whatever the trusts are there, they will be taking help from them. Those persons who take the benefit either from the government schemes or trust is known as beneficiaries. So passive nature of beneficiaries. Passive nature means ignorant, ignoring. Alright, if your parents allot you some work, like you just fill the water bottle and you're just not listening to them and moving from there, that means you are ignoring their work. That means your nature is called passive nature, not following, not showing any interest or ignoring. That is the meaning of passive nature. Passive nature of beneficiaries. Marginal, small and landless farmers, marginal and small farmers, landless laborers are not having any unions in rural areas. Not having any unions means whenever farmers and laborers are having any problem, they'll directly go to the unions, because they have the belief that these unions will be working for the welfare of laborers. Whenever they have any problem, they'll solve it. But do we have unions? No, we do not have unions in rural areas. Alright, and most of the farmers are ignorant and illiterate. They are ignorant and illiterate. Illiterate means not educated. Ignorant means, just now as I said you, they don't have any interest with the land reforms. They just ignore everything whatever is said by the government. And also they have very little information about the land reforms which are beneficial for them. Alright, even though the government is working for the welfare of these people, for the welfare of the farmers, government is day and night searching and thinking of the measures, how should I help these farmers, but these farmers are not having any little information about the reforms which will benefit them. Therefore, the land reforms are ineffective. Ineffective means they are not having effectiveness in the minds of people. Next point, bureaucracy. Bureaucracy means what? It is a state in which all the important decisions are not taken by the official members. For example, the government will be having some official ministers and official members. They will be taking decisions. But bureaucracy means those persons will not take any decision. the other normal persons who are having political power, financial power, they will be taking decisions of the whole country. They are not educated, alright, they are not educated, they are not in the government's official members, but still they will make the important decisions. Okay, then how can that be beneficial for us? That is called as bureaucracy. Like under the British rule, all the important decisions were taken by the British. Was it helpful for us? No. In the same way, Indian bureaucracy is trained under colonial rule. Alright, they are apathetic to land reforms. Apathetic meaning, I have written over here, that is having no interest. Okay, not having any interest is known as apathetic. Apathetic land reforms. They are apathetic towards the land reforms, means they don't have any interest towards the land reforms.